thread. Natural threads we all know. One is cotton thread and other is silk thread that is obtained from one is obtained from plant and other is obtained from the silkworm. So in this we are talking about artificial substance, artificial threads in which we have seen rayon, nylon, decaron, terylene, and terene. So these words are difficult to pronounce, but you are supposed to know that these are also the type of threads which are used. Now the polymers are made up of hydrocarbons. So what is the meaning of hydrocarbons? Which are obtained from mineral oils, which are obtained from mineral oils. Okay. The solution of the polymers is passed to the strainer and the fine holes. So in this way, the polymer chain are formed by the mineral oils. Okay, so mineral oils is the hydrocarbon. So here I would like to tell you what are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the substance which is obtained from the mineral oil. So what are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are the substances which are made from mineral oil. And what is the meaning of polymer chain? The long continuous chain formed by the small interlinked chemical unit. So it is a long continuous chain which is formed by the small or interlinked chemical unit. So this is the meaning of this word. Okay, so polymer chain that are made from hydrocarbons are obtained from the mineral oils. Now these solutions of the polymers is passed through the strainer having fine holes. Means the strainer is having a fine holes. And when they are cooled, they are obtained in a form of long unbroken thread. So these threads which are unbroken, these threads which are long, these are twisted with the help of yarn and the threads are prepared. Okay, so these threads are obtained in the various form by using different types of chemicals. So these threads such as decaron, terylene, terene are the few synthetic threads. Okay, so I would like. So there are some advantage and disadvantage of using the synthetic fibers such as nylon, rayon, decaron, terylene. So there are some advantages also and some drawbacks also by using this type of clothes. So these types of clothes are the cost of this type of clothes is very less. They can be used for longer time and as they are water repellent. Water repellent means if they got wet. So if you keep the clothes to dry, the clothes immediately dry because they have the property of water repellent. So these type of clothes dry very easily. But in some rainy season, you can see if the cotton clothes is washed and dried, they don't dry very easily. Okay, it takes some time for them to dry, but this types of advantage of these types of clothes is that they dry very easily. They are light in weight and we feel comfortable to wear, and as it is having a shiny appearance, people are getting attracted towards this type of clothes. So this is the advantages of the synthetic threads, the clothes which are made from the synthetic threads. Then what are the drawbacks or disadvantages of the this type of clothes? So here you can see that in summer season, okay, these are good for using in rainy season. But what about summer season? In summer season, what will happen? In summer season, the clothes will not absorb the sweat that comes from your body. Okay, so you will get some rashes on your skin by using that types of clothes. So in summer season we sweat a lot. That is one of the reason that we are using cotton clothes in summer season, because cotton clothes absorb the sweat from the body and makes us comfortable without any skin rashes. But these clothes are having the drawback of this, that they are not absorbing the sweat that can cause some skin disease. then that is the reason they are not comfortable to use in summer season. Then this type of clothes catches fire very easily. Okay, so if somebody comes in contact who's wearing these types of clothes, so what will happen? If the burn is serious, so what will happen? The cloth can be stick towards your body, as the synthetic cloth can stick, and the burns can be very severe. Okay, so it can cause many problems. So that is the disadvantage, that we are not supposed to use this clothes during the summer season and whenever we are near fire. So we have to take care of these things. So this is about the difference, advantages and the disadvantages about the cloth, synthetic cloth. Okay, synthetic thread or synthetic cloth, the clothes which are made up of synthetic thread. So they have advantages as well as disadvantages. Then we have studied in this lesson that save trees, save nature. Okay, so if you save the trees, then only you will be able to save the nature. If you save the paper, then only you will save the trees. As we are cutting more trees for manufacturing of paper, so what will happen? Kya hoga? So many trees will cut down. So is it good to cut down the trees? No, it is not good to cut down the trees. So we should make the proper use of paper, and we should try to recycle the paper. Okay, so we should use the paper very properly and economically. This is the most important thing that we have studied from this lesson. Okay, then we have also studied the advantages and the disadvantages of the clothes from this chapter. Okay, then what let us revise in short what we have studied in this lesson. We have studied that there are two types of substances: natural substances and man-made substances. Natural substances are further divided into biotic and abiotic. Then the biotics are either plant origin or animal origin. Plant origin means the substances which are obtained from plants, and animal origin means the substances which are obtained from animals. Okay, so and we have also learned how the production of rubber, production of papers, production of different synthetic fibers or threads, we can say, and many man-made materials that are obtained in our surroundings. So this lesson gives a lot of knowledge about the saving the trees, saving the paper, then using which types of clothes are good in which seasons. So all these things we are able to know, and we also came to understand that what things are available from which source. Okay, whether it is available from natural source or whether it is available from man-made source. So this is about the lesson. I hope you understood the lesson very well. So let us, if you are having any doubt, you can ask